E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço- E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixem um like, que não vai custar nada. Compartilhem o vídeo, apoiem o canal, entrem na comunidade do Discord. Peço. E também o último recado, participem da comunidade do quem quiser entrar na plataforma do TikTok, tá aí no link na descrição. E quem quiser apoiar o canal também tá aí. Galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. Essa bela obra-prima aí, onde o último ponto de partida onde nós parou. Então, hoje nós vamos continuar dando continuidade às aventuras de Arthur Morgan por essa nova região. Bom, no episódio passado estávamos em Valentine. Acabamos de chegar. A cruz. Vamos dar prosseguimento a uma história. Descobrir novas coisas com Arthur Morgan. E descobrir mais desse mundo. Esse jogo é maravilhoso, cara. Não tem nem o que discutir. Não, é um jogo que joga, você não enjoa. Só a quantidade de vezes, galera, que eu já finalizei o jogo, eu já perdi até as contas. A outra coisa, o recado dentro também. Quem viu esses dias ontem, trouxe uma nova gameplay, uma nova franquia pro canal aí. Aí outro recado, quando o jogo carrega, a pessoa que estiver vendo aí pela Twitch, anotem o meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Ou no YouTube, beleza? Se inscrevam lá, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Aí vocês vão anotar tudo lá. Uma coisa que eu percebo, galera, eu vou num celeiro aqui, é que eu fiz offline. Eu entrei no celeiro, no Valentine tinha que vir o equino, né? O cavalo de guerra. Mas por coisas, eu não consegui. Como que fala? Como que fala? Eu não consegui retirar o cavalo do pacote. Vamos ver aqui. Ah,
Okay, boy.
vou comprar outro cavalo.
Well, who
Deixa
do
eu
we
ver.
have here? That's a fine steed. Got some stable space for rent if you're interested.
Aquele cavalo não tá vindo mais, cara. O do pacote, eu vou comprar esse. Quero juntar dinheiro e comprar esse. Ó, o Horse é holandês, parece cavalo de guerra.
Damn,
Mas
but these
ainda tem que
were a
juntar
long,
uma boa
hard day.
grana.
Something to behold. I can't tell you how many times I use that one. That's the same one I use too.
Tem que melhorar muito, cara.
I'll miss that nag. Real good.
Vamos fazer a missão aqui, ó.
draw no lead chucker on me.
Quero me sujar.
Morning, for goddamn savage.
O que faz com a arma?
Howdy.
Tá fechado.
Okay, boy. We're nice out, huh? Been rolling around in this die? Anyhow, I better get going.
Come on, sir. Try to
Como o senhor
remember
tente lembrar o
what
que
really
aconteceu.
happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76.
Just a lot of buck, Plato. It's just a lot of buck.
It's not bunk,
Um monte de
Mr.
bobagem.
Calloway, sir. It's history.
Ancient
Senhor
history,
Calloway.
done and dusted. The dead got off lucky, the living gotta keep suffering. Same as always.
But did you shoot the Newton twins?
I don't give a pig's penis about the Newton twins. One of them was a girl, anyhow.
But you had been friends back in '73. You rode the Alabaster Trail together.
Funny thing about pigs' penises. They're curly, like the tails.
Who's your friend there?
Put that in your
Quem é esse
phone.
meu amigo? Ah, Pratão, olha lá.
This isn't going very well. This is Jim Boy Calloway. The
Mais nobre
Jim
dos homens, uma
Boy
mulher.
Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest
Totally.
left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Só espero o que você
I
quer dizer.
reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
How's that going?
I think I prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free
Ou
from
ele ia
never
matar
having
e
to
ficar
speak
ali.
to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's
Algo
that?
muito importante.
Joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm going to write that down.
Ó,
If I may.
Glória,
Be my guest.
fica à
What's your
vontade.
name?
I don't have
Seu
a
nome.
name.
But
Eu não
you
tenho
are a
nome.
gunslinger.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff, it's, well, bunk.
But you fought duels.
Once upon a
Mas
time.
você já duelou.
Yeah,
And you ain't interested in fame.
I don't think so.
Strange.
Acho
But
que
you
não.
like fortune.
I need money, sure.
Okay.
Precisa de
And
dinheiro, é
forgive me,
claro.
mister, if I
Certo.
seem a little desperate.
É,
I
eu
am a
preciso de
little
dinheiro.
desperate. This book, I've got to make a thing of it. And,
Preciso
well,
tornar mais
there's a whole
interessante lá.
list of gunfighters.
Há uma
Legends,
lista de
every
pistoleiros.
last
Quem
one.
que é esse cara aí?
Emmett Granger. Flacco
Emmett
Hernandez. Billy
Brock
Mid-
Hernandez.
Black Bell.
Never heard of him.
Breck
Maybe you
Deli.
could go and speak to them. Ask them about Calloway. Any of them get uppity, shoot them.
Atire no sujeito.
said that, but
You
Eu não
want me to
aceito
go
crítica.
and find some sad
Encontre
little
uns
fool
idiotas.
like him. Ask if he was the greatest. and
Pergunte se
then
ele foi a maior.
up
E daí um deles
shoot him.
does sound a lot worse than it did in my head.
soa muito pior do que quando
A
eu pensei.
lot. Half the proceeds
Olha,
of the book
bastante.
if you help me get it written.
I'll see what I can do.
Vou ver o que posso fazer.
Get photos.
Ó, tire fotos.
And there are notes on the back of those portraits that should lead you to him.
I'll see what I can
Ó,
find
ganhei uma
out.
I
câmera.
imagine we'll be
Ok.
stuck here upon your return. Here are some other flop house.
Aham. Quem que é essa aqui? Breck Belly. My Belly Elizabeth Coulter. A grande dama dos pistols viva titinamente fora da e deixe roupa em Rhodes. Rhodes vista perto do pântano do Breckwater. Pro Walter. Não se aproximar perigosa. Ah. Ah, apareceu uma missão aqui. E esse aqui?
Hey, we're watching you. Don't be starting nothing here again.
Qual o nome desse? Billy Midnight. Nascido em o homem que matou Rapid Matthews. pouco você sabe de Martin antes da morte. Achava que foi rifle cavalista. Conheço o Matheus. Conheceu o Caloé. Sensação da noite para o dia virou celebridade nacional. Falando em circuitos, apresentações e reencarnação. A San Denis recebeu ameaças de morte e sofreu atentados contra a sua vida. Agora recuso, exceto por aparecer 50 na estação de trem de Rhodes. Perguntar por ele lá. E esse aqui. Fraco Hernandes, o terror de Grizzlies. Procurado em 8 estados, acompanhado de gangue com pelo menos 10 assassinos por estado certo. Hope Johannesburg, Valentine, Slumber e Acruz. Esconderijo oeste de Caçador, onde nós estávamos conversando. Para proceder com cuidado. E esse último, quem quer? Pervertido, Hermit Granger, pervertido assassino apreciador de porcos. Rancho Ever, massacre, relatos de avistamentos. Desaparecimento da família Coisa, os homicídios de Chambá, prisão da gangue que fosse testemunha. No momento, cuidador de porcos, perto do lago Fred e não. Recusou-se a entrevistar. Pegar meu cavalo como.
Hello, boy.
Vou na loja de arma pra ver o que compra, velho.
That bastard. I'll get my hands around his neck.
Do come in. Well, it's really the catalog you want to look at. It's got everything in here.
Let's have a look.
Coulter. Já tem. Pistola vulcânica. Deixa eu ver, pistolas. Outro aprimorado. Sinto um culto aprimorado. Gastei tudo na minha grana já, hein?
I'll wait to give this a try.
Tem um truque que faz com a arma quando você saca. Vou explorar esse mundo pra cá, ó. Aqui. Oh não, O'Driscoll. uma armadilha, outro bicho. Desgraçado Driscoll. Eu preciso de grana. Que cabra. A gente também precisa resgatar o Sam, né?
Okay, boy.
O mundo de Red Dead 2. Cara, era hora, hein?
Easy. Go.
Acertei! Opa, o que temos aqui?
There we go.
Temos um cicrano aqui.
Hey there, friend. Come. Stop on by for a moment.
Olá, amigo, vem rapidão.
The name's William.
Você tá perdido aí, cara.
Arthur, you familiar with the study of plants, my friend?
Já estudou o mundo das plantas, meu amigo?
Well, let me tell you.
Então deixa eu te falar. Essa terra é incrível que a gente pisa.
But we've only reached a
Aham.
tiny bit of its potential.
Mas nós já usamos um pouquinho desse
There are
potencial.
thousands, maybe millions of plants all across this vast country we share. The mountains,
Aham.
the plains, the swamps. I mean to
Os
explore,
pântanos.
to know all of nature's bounty and all of
Quem
its
é
wonder
você, cara?
if I can. Sure, but I'm only one man. Would you consider helping me with gathering herbs for my studies?
De novo.
Knowledge,
Por quê?
kindness, beauty. Well, I'm ignorant, ugly, and nasty.
Vem.
Well, let's see if maybe we can do something about that. I'll see.
Vamos ver.
I'm looking for a plant called yarrow. You can distinguish it by its red flowers. It shouldn't be too hard to find. They thrive out in the open under direct sunlight.
Toma aqui a 1000 folhas.
Let's see how this tastes. Oh, yeah. I feel better already. They were right. This stuff does have medicinal properties. All this help, you deserve something in return. Well, this is for your horse.
William, o nome dele.
This can cure almost all maladies to your animal, natural and otherwise. Don't ask how. Now, if you don't mind, I'll be getting back to my
Mas se você não se importa, eu vou voltar para os meus estudos.
traveler.
I can see why you do this. All the best to you.
Thanks, Arthur. And to you.
You know, after all this, I think you're just wasting your time.
Really? Well, you're welcome to your opinion, as I'm open to mine.
Não dá para...
You really happy wasting your life picking berries and crushing leaves together?
It's not a waste to me. If it's so worrying to you, maybe you should leave me alone to it. I wouldn't want to waste any more of your time.
Fair enough. Guess it's just not for me.
That's fine. It's not for everyone. Now, if you don't mind.
Podemos cruzar com ele novamente?
Yep. Yeah.
Conhecer um pouco das planícies desse mundo. Qual que atropelei? Ah, coelho.
Boy. Yep. Yeah. Okay there.
Quem é esse cara?
Whoa, whoa, steady there. Scare away my dinner. Tracks are real fresh.
Tá caçando, meu senhor. Vou te seguir.
Yes, I know where you are. Got him! Did you see that? Perfect!
Perfeito.
You sure are a beauty. Well, let's be on the way.
Legal. Esses eventos aleatórios. Ah, tem um cireiro aqui, ó. Aqui que eu queria aí.
Easy.
Oh, finalmente. Cacei um viado.
Pretty good.
Não dá pra entrar aqui não.
Yep.
You doing, Tate? Welcome to my stable.
Só tem esse cavalo.
I got some good red horses. Sure there's one to your liking. Don't leave this one here too long. They need exercise.
Quero comprar aquele holandês. Vou comprar, juntar a grana. Aquele cavalo é bom, vai ser meu cavalo permanente, eu acho. Ai, caramba. Eu vou voltar para a Valentine. Aí, os olhos da morte.
Yes, boy. Yeah, okay, boy. Calm down, will you? Easy now. That's right. Keep going. Come here.
É uma casa.
Go to hell. You're done now, you asshole. God damn it. Nobody's gonna find you out here. All right. Come on.
Corre!
Whoa. Easy.
Podia roubar a casa do homem.
listening to this. All right here, folks.
Ô, caramba.
No meal is complete if it don't got meat.
Good to see you back. A lot of folk coming by with these lately. Let's go, boy. Thank you.
Hey, howdy, sir.
Ah, acabou.
Hey, good looking horse there. I'm happy to stable that for you.
Pô, esse cavalo vai ser meu permanente. Eu quero isso, cara. Esse cavalo de guerra.
This is a damn good ranching horse, made for working.
Take care of that nag.
That's been treated.
Em 41. Tá bom montar acampamento. Pô, esqueci. Será que dá pra comprar um negócio de barbear? Quero crescer meu cabelo.
Excuse me, partner.
You got a problem?
Welcome back, mister. Got everything you need. Have a look. Big Tom is still in a bad way from that fight.
Café.
Righty. Let's see what you're selling. Ain't no other outfit beats their prices.
Tônicos. Opa, tônico pra cabelo.
Thank you.
And that should be good.
Só assim, ó. Tônico capilar. Isso vai fazer meu cabelo crescer. Uhum.
Good doing business with you.
That's it for now.
Thanks.
Quer ver cresceu a barba, o cabelo rápido? Vamos dormir no hotel, primeira vez?
Shit, different day. Welcome back.
I'd like a room, please.
Room's all yours. Head on up.
Aqui é onde que nós tava no episódio passado, num quarto daqui. Ó, o truque com a arma, galera, ó. Pouca gente sabe, ó. O Arthur pega a arma, ó. Vou mostrar pra vocês, ó lá, tá vendo? Alguém sabia disso, ó. Ó como esse jogo é fantástico. O jogador experiente sabe, ó. Vamos dormir primeiro? Primeira vez nós tá dormindo no quarto em Valentine. Primeira vez nós tá dormindo. Conheci um velho bêbado em Valentine. Disse que era coitado, parecia mais um palhaço. Algum idiota estava escrevendo um livro sobre ele. Ah, parece um truque de palhaço. Vamos ver que tipo de gente. O povo quer ser assassino famoso. Eu não faço muito.
Sir, you'll need to wash up a bit if you want to impress the ladies around here.
Que horas são no jogo? 6h23.
See you soon.
Vai tá todo sujo. Ó o truque com as armas, galera, ó. Vamos ver se pega esse ó. Olha lá, ó. Você viu? O Arthur vira, ó. Quem sabe disso? Ó.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
You think he's trying to find his way back to the loony bin?
Yeah.
Vou limpar. Tem um negócio aqui, uma missão também, ó. O que é isso aqui? Ó. Quem esfaqueou? Ó, o que tá escrito aqui? Ó, aqui o mapa do assassino. Ó, pobre coitado.
Ooh. You poor
Oh,
bastard.
mapa. Pista 1 do assassino. Colete os pedaços rasgados no mapa para desvendar um mistério. Esse mundo tá cheio de mistério, hein? Vamos voltar pro acampamento.
Whoa now. Yep. Easy. Come on, boy. Yeah.
Ó, acampamento.
Whoa.
Guaxinim.
Okay, boy. Here.
Who goes there?
It's me.
Look what the
Ó, galera, tem a pilha aqui também.
Load up.
So, John, I was talking to little Dick. There's a fine boy you got. If he's mine, of course he's yours. It's the truest of gifts, a child. Yet you push him away. I ain't no kind of father. I wish the boy no harm, but well, you know how we live. We live free.
Pera aí, galera, deixa eu ver um negócio.
If you say so.
Look out, Marston.
Good morning, Arthur. Hello, Mrs. Adler.
There
E
he
aí,
is.
Dutch?
Good morning, Arthur.
Come on, Jack. Read for me, little. I'm hungry, Mama. We're all hungry, son. Just try reading. Later. Okay. Go have a rest now.
My lady.
Good morning.
Vamos falar com o Kieran aqui.
Come stop sleeping.
What's going on?
Oh, Lord. Please. End it.
Damn it, Arthur. Let me sleep.
You got some speaking to do of your own. Not that old gang of yours.
I said. I told you.
Eu já falei, não sei de nada.
That's what I thought.
Foi o que eu pensei. Ó, fazendo uma visitinha. Opa, vai.
It's got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
Tava achando que o Sr. Wilson poderia... Ah,
I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
só tava andando com ele. Ah, uma hora.
So how about you tell the truth? That's what you want me to do.
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to
Então
tell
da
us what
próxima
is
vez que
going
abrir,
on.
seja pra nos dizer o que está
Who
acontecendo.
am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys
Quem?
couldn't open his
Dos
mouth,
O'Driscoll
but
não
he'd
abriria
tell a lie.
a nossa boca se fosse pra mentir.
Let's just have some
Dane-se.
fun.
Vamos nos divertir um pouco.
Geld him.
Pode castrá-lo. Oh!
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble.
Ah, bolas.
You know, in
Tá bom.
Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among the happiest
Vai
and
que
most
ele tá preso
loyal of
aqui.
courtiers.
No, you're kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastards! Oh, what do you want?
Ah,
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen.
ok,
I know where
ok,
O'Driscoll was
escutem.
holed up.
Esse é onde
You're
o
right.
Driscoll tá escondido.
He don't
E
like
você tá
you
certo.
any more than you
Ele não
like
gosta de
him.
você.
He's a
Assim como você
six-point
não gosta.
captain.
Ele tá na
I'll
cabana.
take you there.
Hã?
Serious. I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken. Okay,
Eu gosto
then,
menos
partner.
dele. Ah,
Why
tá
don't
bom,
you take a
parceiro.
few of us up there right now? I got this.
Agora mesmo.
Should be fun.
Eu cuido do Dutch.
All right, you. Come on. Let's go.
Vamos lá, Kieran. Let's go.
Let's both hope you ain't trying to trick us.
Faca de arremesso.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
You sure as shit was.
Com certeza você era.
John, Bill, come here. We got a
John,
social
Bill.
call needs making. Where we heading?
Up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him. You gotta pay your buddies our respects.
He taking us to Colm?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close.
Oh, John vai
We
junto.
are. It's up past Valentine.
All right, I'll leave. Sorry it wouldn't kill you. Sharing the saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one, and you smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you high.
Morgan,
Vamos lá, fazer a visitinha
you
aos
got
outros.
throwing knives in your saddlebag. Dud said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it?
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey. Hey. If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah.
Caralho, esqueci de tirar os animais.
I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
How you holding up, John?
Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine.
You damn well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey,
discuss.
all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up.
Conheço.
You know her.
Ah, o John tá
She won't
descansado
be
agora.
reasoned with.
Well, when you was having a failure of reason, hiding behind your woman, the way you were getting shot at.
And I do this... Very funny, Morgan. I do the same for you. If you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I
Oh,
fear you
sure.
don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself.
You see, O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends,
Imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what you all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts.
Bill, you still got those tongs? I got a knife. Won't be so clean, but it'll do the job.
Now we go left. Road will take
Bill,
us up
hold
and
on.
around. Those are the hills. Head for 'em.
That, huh? Save your horses. We gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and
Observei vocês.
You've been tied to a tree.
Você tava
You don't
amarrado
know
numa
nothing
árvore.
about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Tell us then. How are we like
Fica
those
então como
mongrel
são
dogs?
parecidos.
You're outlawed like them? You're out to survive like them?
Sobreviver como eles vivem. Não, não
You
é
live
isso, não,
hard.
verdade.
Fighting the law, nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive.
Nós estamos
We're
vivendo
out to
livres.
live. Free. Colm's a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
Then you looked, but you ain't seen.
John, shut that boy up.
Enough out of you.
Boys, we're almost on them. Now,
Quase, gente, quase lá.
who knows if this son of a bitch we got with us is talking true, but if it's what he says it is, and
A gente tá conhecendo um pouco desse mundo, né?
Colm O'Driscoll's here, we can end years of fighting, here and now.
Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
We're going in quiet, taking them out as we find them, trying not to set things off. But if we do, we move quick and hard. We settle this like we know how, okay?
Okay by me.
With you, Morgan.
Ó,
All right, then.
Through the trees here.
Slow up now.
ah, tem faca de arremesso mesmo.
Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing.
I'll get my guns off my horse. And I'm ready. Easy, Bill. Quiet.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Esquilo.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go. You gonna get them knives? I said easy.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now, come on. It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first.
Aí vai perder as bolas primeiro.
Jesus Christ. Just over the ridge.
O'Driscoll.
Okay, get down.
Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be
Cabana
a bunch
fica-
of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of
Armados,
strangers. Yep.
bêbados.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his
Com
cabin.
Colm O'Driscoll.
Be
Ó,
passed out, booze blind, likely as
o
not.
ar tá tudo sujo.
Over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The fella that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait. So you can tell him
Uma
yourself.
emboscada.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
anyone's
yeah.
actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
Fica quieto.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
You hold him there. Don't give him a chance.
Don't worry, I won't.
You want me to take him?
Hush. I'm gonna deal with this first fella.
Okay. Go to work.
Don't you damn move.
Guns in the camp! Look out!
Oh no!
It's on! We move quick! We move hard!
Droga. Queria pegá-lo de surpresa.
Come on, then! Come on! Come at me, you Irish bastards! We can defend the cabin! Fall back! Clean them up! Clean them out! You catch you unawares! Head! We got him! Close in! Come on! Move it! This is quite a hideout! Run and hide if you know what's good for you! Your worthless O'Driscoll hats! O'Driscolls! We got you beat! Don't run away from me! Give us Colm! This is done! You're lying now, little toad! What are you hiding out in the woods for?
Sai daí, Art!
You stay here, you're dead!
Nossa, que tá fedendo aqui.
They're turning tail! Leave them! Colm's still here.
He said Colm's be in the cabin.
I'll check. You look out here.
Vamos saquear, né?
What you got, O'Driscoll?
Kieran.
You got supplies, you drunk dead bastard.
What do you hold in O'Driscoll?
Legal isso aqui, ó. Vamos ver o que tem. Oh não! Hã?
You alright?
Sure.
Quase matou aqui, ó.
Colm O'Driscoll. He ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear!
Ele tava aqui,
If I was
eu
setting
juro,
you
eu,
up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good
eu não
point,
teria salvo
Arthur.
só. Ele tem razão, Arthur.
All right, then
Yeah.
go on. Get out of here.
Hey?
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you
Get
up.
lost.
Shit, lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get
Vou
out of
deixar
here.
você,
That's
você
as
anda
good as
logo.
killing me. Out there,
É o mesmo que você.
without
Lá
you,
fora,
Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose
vocês.
his mind about this.
ou como você vai ficar louco com isso.
So I'm one of you
Bom,
now.
então eu sou um de vocês agora.
Give me a break.
Ah, me pô.
All right, then.
Tudo bem então.
Oh, hey, I know.
Mas
Come on,
estou
let's
te
get to
avisando.
camp.
So you got the cash then?
What cash?
Você
Here's
pegou
just
dinheiro?
some
Que dinheiro?
cash. In the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys, get to camp quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell
Hey, Bill.
Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing.
Diz importante que não vale a pena matar o velho por
Right you
enquanto.
are.
Oh, arma de escopeta. Cacifo. Dinheiro. Ó, aí sim, hein? Escopeta cano tubo. Limpar. Ai, ai. Vamos ver se tem uma boa grana aqui.
At least you got something tucked away.
Outra pra comprar o cavalo agora. Vocês têm...
There we go.
Duas e 6. Vou casar o outro cervo.
Whoa!
Cacei um coelho.
Let's go, boy. Yeah. Easy.
Viado, o carro tá branco.
That's it.
Fica quieto.
Yep. Whoa.
Uou! Um penhasco enorme.
Easy, easy. Yeah. Yep. Easy there.
I ain't in the charitable mood tonight, partner, so you go away. Go on, get lost! You better leave. Or I'll move you myself. You open this door, and I promise you I'll close it. You asked for it?
Now stay there.
I need help! Hey, get these ropes off of me!
This is very
Jesus
kind of you.
Christ. God damn it! Somebody help me!
Deixar ele aqui
I'll
amarrado.
come back for you. I promise. Okay there. Yep.
O que tá acontecendo?
Easy. Yep.
Será que ele escapou da corda?
Yeah. Easy now.
Vou livrar ele, vai.
Easy now.
Vou livrar ele e sair correndo.
All right. Giddy up.
Oh God, stop this!
Ameacei com a arma, que coisa. Ver se eu consegui grana, cara.
Yeah. Calm down, will you?
Hey, get yourself gone from here.
Oh, don't mind me.
You don't? It's time for you to go.
I ain't here to cause trouble.
I'll kill you dead. I'll bury you.
Folks. Whoa, whoa.
Ah, o que aconteceu aqui?
Arthur?
Where
run out of meat here soon if we're not careful. Very good. We were getting low. Many thanks, Mr. Morgan.
Yeah, morning.
Morning to you.
Onde lá com os senhor Strauss?
Hey there.
Morning, Arthur.
Herr Morgan! Herr Morgan!
Mr. Strauss?
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loan
Okay.
it. Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow
Agiotagem
off someone like
pecados,
me.
parte
What? More enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see.
Quem são as pessoas?
Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm.
O Chick
He's a
Matthews
hand,
trabalha na
I believe.
fazenda.
Mr.
Não pelo
Roble,
creio eu.
the small
Sr.
holder
Roble,
at Painted Sky,
o proprietário
runs the
de
operations.
Painted Sky, cuida dessa operação lá bem mal.
Miss Lily Millet is a
E a
ranch
senhorita
maid
Lily
up
Miller é
at
governada no
Emerald
rancho
Ranch.
Here was
ex-membro.
me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folk.
It's legal work, Mr. Morgan.
É trabalho legal,
Debtors
Sr.
belong in
Morgan.
prison. We are doing them a favor.
Aye. I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Um favor a eles.
Put the debts in the deed box and try not to kill them. It's very bad for business.
Lily Miller, lista de devedores. Wobble, Chick Matthews.
Goes without saying.
What am I gonna do?
Hello.
You're gonna suffer.
I'll say it again. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
You are a strange man sometimes.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Take care, Arthur.
Where am I gonna go? Stay here with us.
O seu Oséia.
Oh, things so bad. It's nasty out there on your own.
I know. Could use a slug of whiskey in
Tem
this.
que ir lá cobrar.
Maybe after lunch, eh?
Hello, ladies.
Hey there. Hello. At least for now. Till you're back on your feet properly.
All right.
Morning, Arthur.
Vamos ver as coisas do acampamento aqui, tá pra melhorar.
I'm gonna go out with you, I'm gonna have to look my best, so can I borrow $10? Can I borrow a few dollars? I'm good for it.
Vamos dormir até a tarde.
Oh, you horrible man.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Hello.
That ain't good enough. Hello.
Yes? Hello, Arthur?
E aí, Dutch?
It's all good. Calm down.
Huh. I really worry about your sanity.
Oh, sorry, Dutch.
Já vamos ver o Dutch de novo.
Hey, Bill.
Can you give me some room here?
Ah, olha lá, que legal.
What's got into you?
Hey, you okay, Miss Karen?
Dandy, how are you?
Well, they haven't killed me
You
yet.
never learn, do
Doing
you?
Boys around here.
They act tough. They're good boys.
Get a
mostly.
hold of yourself.
It's the most thing I'm scared about.
Don't be. Be fine. You must now. Hi there, Arthur.
Ó o Kieran.
Not you again.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Some of them here, they'll treat me all right.
Hey, folks.
Hi.
My mistake, Abigail.
Do you need to be so close?
Abigail Roberts got so hoity-toity these days.
What's the point of this?
Come on now, leave her alone.
I remember when she wore so much paint. You couldn't see her blush.
I'm just gonna ignore you.
Olha lá.
I'm sorry, Abigail. I have to say, you don't look much like a Marston.
What? Leave me alone.
Sorry, you all right? Maybe Williamson or an Escuela.
Stop it!
What do I know, kid?
Please, go away!
Forgive me. Miss Grimshaw, I apologize.
Senhorita Christian.
Why are you all up in my business? Why are you being
Stop
like
it.
this?
Eita, pô, vocês viram isso? Sabia disso, galera?
Now, did they knock some sense into you?
How many times you pissed yourself today?
Oh, no. Here we go.
I'm only kidding around.
Well, do it with someone else.
There he is.
Hello, Arthur.
Sorry there, Dutch.
Not again, Abigail. Not ever. Just leave me alone, will you?
É isso que acontece, cara, quando você irrita demais os membros do acampamento.
Man, John Marston.
Don't I know it?
need you boys to get out there and hunt. Supplies are low. Thank you. Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Assaltar o Colm O'Driscoll escapou por mim.
Here he is, worst pimp in the history of the world.
Vamos fazer essa missão do Leopold Strauss, Sr. Walpole.
Miss Karen, how you getting on?
Por aqui nós não viemos ainda.
Whoa, now.
Well, that's exactly what I've been looking for.
Hey there, mister.
Why, hey there. Look at this, my friend. Tobacco. Nature's gift to us all. Focuses the mind like nothing else.
Whatever you say.
Well, I say, why buy it off the shelves when you can make your own? Well, plenty left here if you're interested. I'd best keep moving.
Come on, pal. Yeah. Whoa, man.
Caçador na Califórnia.
Whoa, easy. Nicely done. Knock, knock, Mr. Robe.
No przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu?
God damn it.
No przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu? Kim jesteś?
I'm here on behalf of Leopold Strauss. Where's our money?
Leopold
No
Strauss.
money.
Nie mam pieniędzy.
God damn it, you don't speak English, do you? Now, you remember where you're keeping that silver?
Potrzebuję trochę czasu. Znajdę ci pieniądze.
Oh, still don't understand you. God damn it, you have a debt to Herr Strauss. Pay up!
Stop! Już nie mam siły. Nie! Nie! No! Please, no! Don't have money, but I have this. It's good. It's good. It's valuable. It's Warszawa, yes.
I have your things. okay?
Tem alguma
I
coisa.
have anything in here or out there?
Yes.
Don't even speak English.
Very valuable, good?
Not good yet. Better be something somewhere.
No, 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 no.
Yes, 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 yes.
Vamos ver se tem alguma coisa aqui.
You must have come here with something. Longer I look, the madder I get. Okay, that should about cover things.
To zabrałeś już prymitywie, idź precz. Jestem zrujnowany. Zrujnowany.
Ah, vou limpar tudo.
Ja cię klnę, ty Leopoldzie Strausie. Ty gnido.
What do we have here?
Moja obrączka, nie!
Just keep quiet.
É, quem mandou não dar o dinheiro.
Yep.
Uou, 9,34. Estamos chegando no acampamento, galera.
Identify yourself.
It's me.
Mr. Moore. To what do we owe the pledge?
Hold still! Pearson said he short a little meat for the pot. Stop it! This ain't funny! Oh, I disagree! Now, why are you so afraid of a pair of gelding tongs? I thought you were the horse expert!
Help you!
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
One of the girls saw that friend of yours, Mary Gillis, sniffing about.
Mary?
Yes. I never liked that woman, Mr. Morgan. Funny business.
Half acre. Oh, hearing him. Oh, my balls! Like that'd be enough.
Not too bad.
You okay?
Arthur.
Always good to see you.
Oh, hey.
All right, well, I should be getting on.
Sounds good, Mr. Morgan.
Próxima página, Arthur é o que mais ajudou. Ah, da hora, a gente melhora isso.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Called in on the small holder, Roble. Didn't even speak English.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
I usually do.
I know. I know.
O que tem aqui? Uma carta.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter 100 times or more, and I cannot get it right.
A carta da Mary.
It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. But I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story and not an interesting one. But I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town. And I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again, if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine.
Go norte de Valentine.
Yours, Mary Linton.
É a Mary. É a grande paixão da vida do Arthur. Vamos fazer aquela missão do Oséia e hoje eu vou te ligar lá. A última vai ser.
Good morning.
Morning. Yeah.
Aqui, ó. Ó, O'Driscoll. O'Driscoll, maldito.
Easy. Whoa. Almost, fellas.
No! This can't be real!
Let's go, boy. Yep.
Vamos ver por aqui, a gente não vem, né?
Slow up now. Easy. Yep.
Tô presa.
What happened?
My horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends.
I'll see what I can do.
Oh, yes. Yes. Just lift as hard as you can. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved me. Oh, that was bad.
Okay. Sure.
I could have been stuck here and starved or eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred? Well...
You need a ride home, ma'am?
Oh, yes, mister, please. Thank you. Do you know Valentine? I live there.
No problem. Get up.
Vamos atiar os planos. Vamos pra Valentine.
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know. I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work. I borrowed a friend's horse for the trip. See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is.
A good opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. Not much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't work in no saloon, but I've got sharp eyes and quick hands. I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
I'd be careful with offers like that, ma'am.
I can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem... odd.
Just be careful is all I'm saying.
I may not have another opportunity like this. Now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir. We're close now. Just a little further.
Morning, mister. You itching for trouble or what?
O salão tá aberto já.
We're here. Thank you for all your help. You're a good man.
Glad I was able to help. You take care. Appreciate it. You be well.
Stay away from that fella.
Sounds alive. Must be new to these parts. What's it to be? Lamb's fry for you. Hope it stays down.
Cadê o cabeleireiro daqui, cara?
What?
They get a few cents.
E agora o que é?
I was in the army.
Hello, mister.
Hey, buddy. Can I get a buck, mister?
He's into booze again. What an idiot. Sure.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, mister.
É, esse cara é de novo veterano.
Time to go, boy.
Eu quero juntar grana, o objetivo é eu quero terminar essa live. Comprar um cavalo, velho, novo. Vamos pro rancho Emerald. Olha lá o negócio de petróleo do Levíticos Cornwall. Acho que tem um homem cego aqui. Mas que caralho!
Okay, fella. Yep. Won't take long, boy.
Droga, a primeira vez que estou procurando. Cavalo não corre aqui, cara.
Out there, mister.
Primeira vez estamos vindo aqui na... Como chama? Rancho Esmeralda.
It's an interesting way of putting it, Seamus.
No doubt. I do interesting very well. It's trusting I don't do so.
Please. I know how to work with good people, Seamus, and I work in the right way.
Well, they all say that. I never met an idiot that called himself one.
Very true. In that case, I'm an idiot. But I know how to get things done efficiently. Look at me. Why would I lie about this? Arthur, this is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is. As I said, keep your voices down. I don't want my boss here. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves? To this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know why I ain't dead?
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots.
Exatamente.
Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Simmons, o nome dele.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that. And then we can work together.
Ah, achando bola, conseguiu uma baita bolada,
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house. That's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more. They'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Oh, no.
Really?
Really. Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
Look out, Arthur. You're the one who's been out gallivanting around here. Watch out.
That's what you call it. Clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Oh.
Yeah,
what's with you?
Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess
Eu
you're
faço
right.
pra nós. Ah, isso que eu quero. Grana, money, money.
He's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal the stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now. Arthur.
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owner's a nasty type by all accounts. Seamus is sure scared of him.
That's not saying much.
Something strange about the place. Used to be a saloon there, general store. Now it's all closed up, but they seem to have money.
Sounds worth a look around.
For sure. Seamus also mentioned the rancher's daughter a couple of times. How he used to see her around all the time, but now she never leaves the house. Probably just sweet on her.
That what you call finding out a little?
Once he opens up, seems Seamus does like to talk.
Hopefully not too much.
Easy.
Estamos perto. Ah, é aqui, ó. Rancho.
on now.
It'll be fun. I promise.
Você é o cara que mais tem cabeça na gangue aqui, galera, né? Mas tem coisa no lugar.
That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on.
Come on.
There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
Anyone around?
Yes. Okay. I reckon we can do it now. I'll head over, distract them by putting on a little show while you sneak into the house, find what you can, then get the stagecoach. Or wait until nightfall. Sneak in, then I'll get the coach. You can try the house. What do you think?
Noite.
Let's wait.
Vamos esperar.
Okay, let's go.
Sure.
You go into the house. I'll go find this wagon. Maybe take a peek through the windows before you go in. Make sure it's all quiet.
Não pode chamar a atenção. Devagarzinho, mansinho. cara tá dormindo e acorda. A foto dos residentes. Depois eu vou voltar aqui, eu acho. Uou, gente. Opa! Uma caixa, uma outra aqui.
Get on, dear boy. Come on, get on and let's head back.
Conseguimos.
Hey, slow it down. Nicely done. We got everything we needed.
And I'm pretty sure they never even knew I was there.
Best way. Less problems the better right now. Just need to get this back to Seamus in one piece and it's a good night's work. So what were you able to lift from the house?
Found some money stashed away. Must be a few hundred, not too bad.
Not bad at all.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
Ah, na fogueira.
It wasn't the first time Mr. Matthews had stared death in the eye. And as usual, he did not flinch.
Yeah, exactly. How long you think we're gonna stick around here for?
Not sure. Till we can't, I suppose. Feels like we're starting to get back on our feet, slowly but surely. Just need to keep at it. Dutch has a new money chest stashed in a safe spot away from camp, but it's a long way from being full.
I hope it's not stashed in town like we did in Blackwater.
Ah, cidade Blackwater,
Even if
não
we
é?
had to dump the money from the ferry, we could have at least got the rest out if it was hidden someplace else.
No, I think we've learned our lesson there. And a few other lessons besides.
I hope so, but I ain't so sure about that. Yep.
Okay, here we are. Let's pull the coach into the barn there. You're gonna crash if you don't slow down. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here.
Seamus.
Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly
Vamos
art.
chamar Hosea.
Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
If you find any other coaches that need selling, I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
Of course.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Sure.
Horseshoe. Nossa, quase 2 horas e meia de gameplay. Já rendeu pra caramba. Descansando no acampamento aqui.
Hey there.
Quite a fit horse you've got yourself there.
Opa, tá pra comprar o cavalo agora.
Hey, get up.
What is it, Arthur?
O referente Washington. Hosea.
I was at a low point. Real low. And, I tried to rob. I mean, I was just out of the army. And I was drinking like a fish. And, I was still sticking up folk on the highway, just, out west of the mountains. And Dutch got one look at me. I was just... And I was angry. and he just burst out laughing. And I was so mad.
Legal o jogo, né, galera?
Him. But he cheered me up, and he gave me purpose. And now I sense some of you fools are doubting. And that makes me so angry. Because he saved me. He saved Bill Williamson. And he can do it again. So for all you sons of bitches, you fools that are doubting him to go, please just run away. Just get the hell out of here. But you know what? I know you won't. None of you will. Because you're all the same.
Vamos descansar.
Good morning, Arthur.
Morning.
Good morning.
Miss Roberts.
Hello.
Acho que tá na hora de comprar o nosso cavalo, né, galera?
Come on, pal. Yeah. Easy there.
O que aconteceu com esse cavalo?
Come on now, boy. Yep.
You want to see what I can do with a shooter?
Ação VAR.
Hey, what's your problem? Why are you doing this? What are you waiting?
Hey, let's talk about this. Arthur, come lend a hand. I feel like here.
Take it easy. I got lumbago.
Should have thought about that earlier.
Ah, o que tá fazendo aí, ó?
You know, he ain't a bad feller, all things considered.
That man's head's going soft in his old age. You better watch out for him.
You don't say.
Maybe try keeping your mouth shut next time.
Oh, come on. You'd all be bored as rocks without me.
Ah, o que eu fazer aqui?
You okay, boy?
Who's got mouths to feed, huh? Give him one of these ribs, just watch him grow. Welcome. Seems everyone with a rifle been hunting these of late.
Pleasure doing business with you. Folk will enjoy eating that. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your assistance.
Se eu conseguisse procurar, dá pra comprar o cavalo?
Can you please stop?
Morning, mister.
Look here, you want to catch another cinder bounty hunter? Take a gander at the poster there.
Sure.
Xerife.
Morning.
That all? Be gone with you.
I wanted to check you was still here, friend.
I am. Please, will you do something about this gross miscarriage of justice?
Look, I'd like to, but what's one little man against the vast machine of government?
Please!
Em que é agora?
Well, looks like trouble, all right.
É, procurado aí, recompensa de $25. Opa, uma recompensa tá pra coisar, eu acho. É, $25 será uma vaga na prisão L. Shawn. Procurada pelo crime de morte City, quando acima será imediatamente pela entrega da prisioneira procurada viva para interrogatório, conhecida como Viúva Negra. Ela foi avistada na área da Cachoeira Camperland. Um homem desconhecido pode estar exercendo. Todas as informações sobre pedido de recompensas deve ser endereçado para o xerife Carway, gabinete do xerife de Valentine.
Well, that one? They say she's sleeping rough near Cumberland Falls. And what's more, they say she ain't sleeping alone.
Pound him to hell.
There's that son of a bitch.
Good to see you again, pardon. What can I do for you? Oh, wait. You're that fellow who had to fight with Tommy outside of Smithfield?
Thanks.
Hey, I got...
Carai, bicho. Vou caçar essa mulher, eu quero a recompensa.
Yep.
Aí eu vou ter o dinheiro pra comprar o meu cavalo, que tanto desejo, mais caro. Olha o que tá acontecendo aqui. O'Driscoll.
Appreciate you stepping in there. Those bastards been turning the screw on me from day one, saying I gotta pay them protection money. I told them where to stick it, and well, I guess you just saw how that panned out.
You watch yourself, all right?
What happened to you two?
Stay out of trouble.
Cowering like dogs. I'll try.
You wouldn't give us no guns, Pa.
This is the worst idea I've ever had.
We're with you.
Pai, evento
Well,
aleatório.
I'm sure you got things to do.
All that for this crappy piece of land?
Hey, boy.
9h57. Ai, 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 ai.
Hey, stop right where you are. You must have taken a wrong turn somewhere.
Just looking to pass through. That's it.
Idiot. Hey, Jack!
Quaisquer cadáver.
Good plan, fellas.
Estavam bloqueando um caminho. Opa, agora eu tenho dinheiro pra comprar o cavalo. Obrigado, seus otários.
If you want me to keep that overnight, there's room in the stable. I'm sure someone will want this. We got really fair prices on horses.
Vou comprar esse aqui, ó. Vou dar o nome de canário. Esse vai ser o cavalo permanente, eu acho. Oh.
Nice. You only live once, lest you're a cat.
Esse parece cavalo de quê? É o maior cavalo aqui.
Best to have a good saddle that'll hold up. Hey, it costs more for a reason.
Vaqueiro Garden.
I got one of them myself.
Eu não tenho mais dinheiro.
Adding on to a saddle helps personalize it. Uh-huh. That's a nice addition on a saddle. Always good to have one of those.
Aê, cavalo novo. Acho cavalo de guerra, mas tá bom. Cavalão, esse é o meu, hein? Esse vai ser o permanente. Ó.
Good morning. All right, boy. Say. Good morning to you.
Olha o tamanho do bicho. Machão, hein? Olha as bolas. Olha lá.
There's that appalling man again.
Really? You got strange voices in your head, don't you?
Hello again.
Hey, there's no need to be rude. What did I do to you?
Consegui comprar o cavalo. É isso aí, galera. Já faz um tempão que eu tô jogando. Eu vou desligar nessa, porque eu vou descansar. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente se vê no próximo episódio de Então é isso aí, galera.